Okay, welcome to the Proving Grounds. Now this is just going to be a very simple PowerShell session. I'm going to go over a basic command and extrapolate from there. We're going to do a basic get command. We're going to use get content. And in this case, what get content does is it gets content from an item in a specified location. So the file I'm going to create is a scratch file, and I have a directory titled testbed, and this is the location that I wrote down. Now, the text is just basically going to be simple. We're going to go into administrator mode in PowerShell. We're going to type get content, this directory to the testbed directory, and go to the scratch.txt file. In this example, it's going to show you what's in the file. If I actually just type in the location, it's going to open up the file. This is the contents. I have a variable, and then I have the variable divided by 7, and I'm asking what the question mark is. Now, if I put the get content in front of it, and I type it, instead of the file opening, I just get the information. There's the variable, there's a variable divided by 7, and it's asking you what the contents is. Fairly simple. Now, there are other ways to use this, but this is the basics of it all right there.